Welcome to Lucky English for Beginners. Navigating a shopping mall is a great way to practice English in a social, bustling environment. Whether you are looking for clothing, visiting the food court, or finding your way around, these 300 sentences will help you shop with clarity and confidence. Finding your way and stores. Excuse me, could you tell me where the information desk is? I am looking for the main entrance of the mall. Is there a directory map available on this floor? Could you please show me how to get to the clothing section? I am searching for a store that sells electronics. Is the elevator located near the department store? How many levels does this shopping mall have? I am trying to find the exit to the parking garage. Is there a pharmacy located inside this mall? Could you please point me toward the nearest restroom? I am heading to the shoe store on the second floor. Is the cinema located on the top level? I am looking for a store that sells home accessories. Can you please direct me to the nearest ATM? This shopping mall is very large and quite beautiful. Shopping for clothing and accessories. I am looking for a nice shirt for a formal event. Do you have this sweater in a different color? Can I please try on this jacket in a medium size? Where are the fitting rooms located in this store? This pair of jeans fits me very well. I am searching for a comfortable pair of walking shoes. Do you have any discounts on the summer collection? I am looking for a gift for my sister's birthday. Is this material made of cotton or synthetic fabric? Can you help me find a matching belt for these pants? I think this dress is a little bit too long. Do you carry any accessories like hats or scarves? I am checking if this brand is currently on sale. I prefer clothes that are easy to wash and dry. Does this shop offer any loyalty program for shoppers? Food court and dining. I am very hungry, let us go to the food court. What kind of restaurants do you have in the mall? I would like to order a chicken sandwich, please. Can I get a cold drink with my meal? Is there a place to sit down and eat nearby? I am looking for a quick and healthy snack. Does this cafe serve fresh coffee and pastries? Can I have my order packed to go, please? The food court is quite crowded during the weekends. I am craving something sweet for dessert right now. Is the water fountain located near the food court? I will take a seat at this table by the window. The variety of food choices here is truly impressive. I am happy to find a vegetarian meal option. Thank you for the quick and friendly service today. Practical grammar and daily practice. I go to the shopping mall on Saturdays. I compare the quality of different brands. Shopping for clothes is a fun weekend activity. I enjoy window shopping with my best friend. The mall is decorated beautifully for the season. I save my money for items I really need. The shop assistant helps me find the right size. I put my new purchases in a shopping bag. Shopping helps me find the things I enjoy. The mall is well lit and very comfortable inside. I look for the best deals before buying. I prefer to shop when the mall opens. I organize my time to visit several stores. Shopping here is a very pleasant experience daily. I read the product tags to check materials. The mall is located in the heart of town. I appreciate the wide range of available goods. Every shopping trip is a good learning opportunity. I pick out items that suit my style. The cooling system makes the mall very comfortable. I take my time exploring every store floor. The mall has everything I need for gifts. I am happy when I find a bargain. I read the store signs to navigate easily. Shopping with family is a great weekend memory. I look at the displays to get ideas. The shop windows are full of new arrivals. I enjoy selecting gifts for my dear friends. The mall is a place for social gatherings. I am building my wardrobe with quality items. I check the price tag before I buy. The store clerk is very professional and polite. I find shopping to be very relaxing today. The mall offers many services to the visitors. I value the convenience of an indoor mall. I pick items that are both nice and useful. The mall atmosphere is energetic and very lively. I take care of my new clothes properly. Shopping for gifts is a very kind act. The store has a great variety of goods. I enjoy the walk through the mall corridors. I am planning my next visit very soon. The mall provides a perfect day out indeed. I appreciate the friendly service in the stores. Every visit to the mall is a success. Advanced mall phrases, sentences 91-300. We must handle customer requests with high accuracy. Let us verify the discounts on the digital tags. The store ledger shows all daily sales activity. I will authorize the return for this specific item. We need to reach a consensus on store layout. The mall is upgrading its modern payment infrastructure. Let us review the monthly mall performance metrics together. I am authorized to oversee the stock rotation. We need to maintain high levels of store compliance. I will facilitate the secure product delivery today. Our goal is to provide seamless shopping solutions. The synergy between different mall shops is vital. Please adhere to the updated mall safety protocol. We should prioritize the quality of all goods. I will coordinate the logistics for the event. The regional team reviewed our store performance. We must address any discrepancies in the inventory. Let us leverage our resources for better store traffic. I am updating the verification protocols for stores. We need to mitigate potential retail risks immediately. The mall staff deserves recognition for their work. I will implement the new automated lighting system. Let us focus on generating more foot traffic. Our current mall infrastructure needs a major upgrade. I have analyzed the customer shopping trends lately. We need to foster better store variety here. Let us finalize the holiday decorations for December. The transition to digital maps should be smooth. I will evaluate the event outcomes periodically now. We must be transparent in all our store events. Let us enhance our online mall measures today. I am refining the mall parking procedures now. We should capitalize on this new brand partnership. The deadline for new store opening is approaching. I will audit the purchase expense records soon. Let us maintain high professional standards daily. We must meet all legal store requirements here. The vision for this mall is long-term growth. I will supervise the training of new employees. Let us increase our awareness of mall security. We need to foster a culture of responsibility. I am formulating a plan for shop expansion. The mall policy is displayed clearly here. We must ensure absolute privacy of customer data. I will present the sales analysis to owners. Let us aim for shopping excellence in service. We should review the terms of the shop agreement. I am monitoring the daily customer volume closely. The annual sales rush is scheduled for November. Let us drive the mall growth forward together. I will streamline the payment acceptance process. We must remain vigilant in this busy environment. The proposal for the new cinema needs sign-off. I am facilitating the customer support session today. Let us build a sustainable local retail model. We need to offer diverse imported products now. I will conduct a thorough freshness assessment study. The mall environment is becoming more automated. We must deliver on our commitment to visitors. I am drafting the annual mall health report. Let us benchmark our services against competitors. We need to invest in advanced checkout software. The management is fostering open feedback channels. I will oversee the secure mall disposal process. We must adapt to the changing retail economy. Let us cultivate a professional client service culture. I am researching new market fashion trends today. We need to leverage our reliable reputation daily. The customer is satisfied with our quick response. I will finalize the meeting notes for management. Let us pursue the strategic growth goals now. We must ensure store alignment with regulations. I am assessing the current storage capacity. The mall is promoting internal career development. Let us execute the summer healthy campaign well. We need to streamline internal handling procedures. I will document the best shopping practices learned. The staff is exhibiting great potential here. We must value every customer's unique perspective. I am dedicated to providing top shopping excellence. Let us prioritize the most urgent store queries. We need to balance quality and transit speed. I will prepare the monthly summary of sales. The mall is expanding its digital footprint. Let us foster deeper long-term customer relationships. We must support client nutritional growth daily. I am optimizing the equipment budget plan now. The board expects high reliability this year. Let us implement a new feedback loop today. We need to remain focused on the target. I will lead the mall internal audit process. The strategy is evolving in a great direction. Let us achieve our annual goals successfully. We must uphold our ethical values daily. I am tracking the progress of the shoppers. The economy is showing signs of recovery. Let us innovate our current online portal. We need to consolidate our internal files. I will manage the store expectations very well. The renovation project is nearing completion now. Let us demonstrate our capability clearly today. We must ensure top-tier service delivery always. I am refining the presentation for the board. The organization is prioritizing new technology. Let us improve our internal response time today. We need to analyze the data insights today. I will resolve the sorting conflicts now. The strategy should be robust and scalable. Let us maintain our high standard of work. We must cultivate a sense of ownership here. I am organizing the annual workshop now. The management is reviewing our progress daily. Let us focus on the customer service map. We need to anticipate shopper needs better. I will facilitate a productive meeting today. The objective is to scale our reach. Let us embrace digital transformation tools now. We must provide consistent messaging to users. I am auditing our current software tools. The team is ready for the new challenge. Let us strengthen our internal collaboration daily. We need to deliver exceptional results now. I will oversee the mall renovation project. The industry is becoming more automated daily. Let us set clear milestones for success. We must practice effective time management now. I am drafting a proposal for the manager. The culture is focused on growth now. Let us enhance our problem-solving skills daily. We need to maintain professional focus always. I will organize the filing system today. The goal is long-term stability and gain. Let us provide constructive criticism daily. We must prioritize customer well-being now. I am managing the portal access rights. The team is dedicated to the core vision. Let us refine our service techniques now. We need to capture the current market share. I will report on our monthly milestones. The model is working effectively today. Let us pursue professional development now. We must act with precision and intent. I am coordinating the conference call lines. Customer needs remain our top priority today. Let us streamline the approval path soon. We need to build trust with partners. I will check the inventory stock levels. The growth trajectory looks very positive today. Let us implement a new collaboration tool. We must follow standard safety procedures always. I am preparing the end-of-year review data. The board values transparent communication now. Let us focus on increasing overall output. We need to respect different working styles. I will maintain the integrity of data. The project is demonstrating real impact now. Let us encourage proactive thinking today. We must meet the target set this year. I am reviewing the draft for accuracy. The company is rewarding innovative ideas daily. Let us plan for a successful launch. We need to refine our documentation today. I will follow up with the sponsors. The workflow is becoming more predictable today. Let us commit to these excellent standards. We must support team success daily. I am analyzing the customer feedback loops. The potential for advancement is excellent today. Let us prepare for the upcoming audit. We need to simplify our reporting format. I will keep the project updated now. The focus remains on strategic alignment daily. Let us ensure everyone feels empowered here. We must deliver on the promises made. I am drafting the newsletter text today. The environment encourages creative thinking daily. Let us resolve all pending items soon. We need to maintain a sharp edge. I will manage the task distribution fairly. The commitment to quality defines our MAL. I am assisting the customer with shopping. The rates are very competitive right now. Let us keep our lobby area clean. We provide reliable service to all citizens. I am checking the product status daily. The staff is friendly and very professional. I enjoy working in this center today. Let us ensure the labels match perfectly. We provide reliable services to every shopper. I am proud of our commitment now. Shopping is about finding your needs carefully today. Let us simplify the process for users. I am ready to handle your shopping. The items are kept very secure here. We offer great support for daily life. I will ensure your goods are bagged well. The MAL is a partner in your growth. Let us focus on the best price. I am committed to your total satisfaction. The MAL is always here to serve you. Shopping with us is a great pleasure. Let us explore all the new arrivals. I am ready to show you around. Our customer service is simply the best. We hope you find what you need. The MAL brings joy to our lives. Let us visit the stores again soon. I am very happy to help out. Thank you for choosing this shopping MAL. Have a wonderful time shopping with us.